Hello guys, this is Melrose and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, kakain naman po tayo na anliwing. By the way guys, andito kami sa Paseo de Baco or dito sa Toss and Eat. At syempre guys, dahil feeling vloggers po tayo, for the tour lang po muna. By the way guys, it's our second time na dito kumain, kaya medyo hindi ako nahihiya mag-video today. So, eto nga pala yung makita dito sa loob. So, ayan ang food menu nila guys. There's 20 flavored wings. So, order time! Ayan guys, rice syempre. Rice is life. Ayan yung mga chicken namin guys. By the way, yung chicken nila is 369. Tapos, only rice, only wings. Eat all you can dito guys. Ayan, tignan nyo si person, lafang-lafang, diba? Ayan guys, meron pala akong in-upload dun sa TikTok ko, kaya if you have time po, watch nyo din po sa TikTok, okay? O, diba? Puno, guys. O, diba? Kasi nga, masarap. So, punta na po kayo if you're around Bacoor, Cavite.